Looking for the best gimbal for smartphone? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get. Number 1. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. This is the best smartphone gimbal you can buy on the market and stands out for its exceptional stabilization, offering smooth, shake-free footage with its advanced 3-axis motor system. It's designed to enhance smartphone videography, making it a versatile tool for creators of all skill levels. The gimbal's compact and foldable design ensures portability, while the quick launch feature powers it on automatically when unfolded, making it ideal for capturing moments on the go. Active Track 6.0 is a highlight, delivering precise subject tracking even during fast or complex movements. This feature is invaluable for solo creators or vloggers, as it keeps the subject centered in the frame effortlessly. The built-in telescoping extension rod adds flexibility, enabling dynamic angles and creative compositions without additional equipment. The ergonomic handle and intuitive controls make operation straightforward. A new zoom and focus will allows for smooth adjustments, while dedicated buttons enable quick mode changes and camera orientation swaps between portrait and landscape. The DJI Mimo app further enhances usability with tutorials, shot guides, and one-tap editing options. Performance-wise, the Osmo Mobile 6 excels in stabilizing footage during walking, running, or even more aggressive movements. Its robust build supports larger smartphones securely, and the magnetic clamp simplifies setup. Number 2. Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. This is our runner-up pick and impresses with its advanced stabilization and innovative features, making it a standout smartphone gimbal. Its 3-axis stabilization ensures smooth, cinematic footage even during dynamic movements like walking or jogging. The upgraded Deep Track 4.0 AI tracking excels in subject recognition, offering multi-person tracking and active zoom tracking with up to 15x zoom while maintaining focus. This makes it ideal for fast-paced scenarios or group shots. The design improvements are equally noteworthy. A sturdier build, reinforced tripod legs, and an ergonomic anti-slip grip enhance durability and ease of use. The gimbal also introduces free tilt mode for creative angles, a built-in selfie mirror for better framing with rear cameras, and a hidden extension rod for versatile shooting perspectives. Its integration with Apple Dock Kit allows seamless tracking in iPhone's native camera app and over 200 third-party apps, while the Insta360 app unlocks features like Pro Framing Grid and Teleprompter mode. Battery life remains strong at 10 hours, with the added ability to charge your phone during use. The Flow 2 Pro supports Dolby Vision and Apple ProRes for HDR video, elevating visual quality. Number 3. ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI Pro. The Smooth 5S AI Pro excels with its professional-grade stabilization, powered by advanced algorithms and high-torque motors, delivering cinematic smoothness for mobile videography. Its orthogonal 3-axis structure allows unrestricted 360-degree rotation, enabling dynamic movements like low-to-high angle transitions and immersive, vortex mode effects. The built-in fill light, peaking at 650 lux, can be enhanced with 2 additional magnetic lights to achieve an impressive 2040 lux, rivaling professional setups. The standout feature is the magnetic AI tracker, which offers gesture-based control for functions like object tracking and start/stop recording. This tracker is precise and responsive, making it ideal for solo creators or vloggers. The gimbal also integrates seamlessly with the ZHIYUN app, offering intelligent shooting modes and video templates for streamlined production, with robust build quality, intuitive controls including a joystick and full key panel, and up to 26 hours of battery life in standby mode. The Smooth 5S AI Pro is a versatile tool for both amateurs and professionals seeking polished smartphone filmmaking. Number 4. Hohem iSteady M7. The iSteady M7 stands out as a versatile smartphone gimbal with advanced features that cater to both casual creators and professionals. Its detachable 1.4-inch touchscreen remote allows for real-time preview and wireless control, making framing and adjustment seamless even when away from the gimbal. The built-in AI tracker operates independently of apps, enabling precise subject tracking across various scenarios, including live streaming and high-speed movements. This feature is complemented by a robust stabilization algorithm, ensuring smooth footage even during dynamic activities like running. The iSteady M7 offers 360-degree infinite pan rotation and a 325-degree tilt range, unlocking creative possibilities for diverse shots. Its extendable rod adds flexibility for aerial views or low angles. With a payload capacity of up to 500 grams, it accommodates larger phones and accessories like microphones or lights. Additional highlights include RGB and CCT fill lights for customizable illumination and a 12-hour battery life with reverse charging capability.